Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Charlotte here, and today I'm going to be walking you through our Hymer Yosemite. So the Yosemite is a 3-berth. It's measuring just under the 6-metre marks, and it's built on a Fiat Ducato. This particular vehicle that we have in stock is automatic. But talking through some of the features externally, we've got our full LED headlights at the front, and you've got your colour-coded bumpers. You've got the lovely sort of slate grey metallic paint colour, and you've got your Fiat two-tone 16-inch alloys. We've got an awning light strip here, just beside the habitation door. And as well as this, we have an electric welcome step. Making our way down to the back is our external barbecue point. So at the back of the vehicle, we have our reverse sensors as well as a reverse camera. I've just opened up the doors to let you see the storage that we have. So that is one brilliant feature about this vehicle. We've got the single bed layout at the back, but if you do need an extra bit of space, you can actually lift this out of the way. The mattress is in the way, but that comes the full way across. So if you had, I don't know, say for example a bike, and then whenever you've arrived at your destination, then you can take it out and pull the bed back down. We do have a shower point over here with access to hot and cold water, which is always great in the UK climate. And then just beside that, we have 2 little deck chairs, which is a nice feature. These come with the van. And you've also got your table that hangs over the door. So this is a vehicle at the other side. There's not too much to talk about over here, but our water infill is located there. Toilet cassette, electric hookup, and your Truma flue. So we're into the driver's seat of the Yosemite, and let's talk through some features while we're here. Over here to the right, we do have numerous buttons. One of them is to pull in your electric welcome step. We also have a wastewater tank button here, so that's electrically operated as well. We've got an electric parking brake. You've got your leather steering wheel, and here is our cruise control with our speed limiter. You've got your hands free, and as well as this, we've got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. So everything up here is dedicated to a seamless driving experience. If your automatic drive, you have a fully touchscreen infotainment system there. As you can see, your maps is situated here. You have your DAB radio, and then you've got your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto. Down here, then, so we've got an induction smartphone charger. This is your automatic climate zone. And then we've got our lane keep assist, your lock button, your traction plus with your hill descent. You might have noticed a good bit of light coming in. So this vehicle comes with the style pack. It comes with the equipment line pack as well. So the panoramic sky view is part of these packs. And it does make all the difference with the natural light coming in through the vehicle. So this is our front lounge. As you can see, we've got 4 seat belts. This table does lift off and make into a 3rd berth by table leg fold in half, and the extra berth kit is just in the back. While we're over here, this is our control panel. So this is fully touchscreen, and it can actually be operated by the Hymer Connect app from your phone. So you don't necessarily have to be in the van in person to reach your control panel. So that's handy in the sense that you can maybe turn your heating on whenever you're out and about, and your van will be nice and warm whenever you come back. And this over at this side is our Truma control panel. So this vehicle does run off your Truma heating system. This is our Alphatronics 22-inch smart TV. that comes with the vehicle, and as well as that on the swivel bracket, so you can actually turn that round if you want to watch it in the bedroom as well. So talking through some of the features in the kitchen, we've got our 2 ring gas burner as well as your sink. Your storage compartments are here, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 very generously sized cupboards. That's your cutlery drawer, followed by 2 others. Your fridge is here, so that is a compressor fridge, and you can actually open it from both sides, which is nice. So if you're outside on a good sunny day, you can reach it from there. Your bed is back here. So as I was saying in a previous clip, it is a rear single bed layout. So you can actually, obviously put the infill cushion into the middle, and that'll make into a large double bed. And your multimedia system operates the full way through its fan. As you can see at the back, you've got 2 speakers over the bed, and you've also got 2 30-volt sockets and USB and USB-C pockets. This is our bathroom. So it is a wet room. Your sink is folded up there basically just to utilize space, and your shower actually comes out of your sink as well, so that's multi-purpose. The one thing I do like is the mirror. It does help it feel a bit more spacious. So that was a quick walk through our Hymer Yosemite. Check out full details on our website. It has proven to be a very popular vehicle for this year. So if you are interested, give us a shout. 028 9269 3999. If you press through to option 1, that gets you through to sales.